Yes sir, good morning po. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Kalabawan. ES. At sir, oh, alam niyo sir, ha?
Saan may libreng pangkape at maitlog with durong tinapay.
Ang galing niyo, Manjili. Michelle, welcome sa Kalabawan. Dapat next time sa Supo naman tayo, no? Ang ating district festival. Okay, maganda po dito sa Kalabawan. Ang school nila malinis, guys. Ayan po, nagsisilip na po yung mga pupils natin from different school dito po sa District 4A para po ito sa gaganaping district festival.
Mayroon po tayong simpleng pakape at papandesal doon sa harap ng office. Ay.
Sir Ryan, hi ka naman.
Ay. Kape tayo, kape.
Hindi.
Say hi, ma'am. Good morning po. Wow, sir! Julie! Ay, no. Julie Makasim. Hello, sir. Good morning po. Magandang umaga po. Naku, sir. Ang sarap palang kung dito pumunta. Bakit kanyo? Bukod sa pakape, mayroon pang itlog na may durong pang pandesal.
Alam namin darating ka.
Wow!
Kaya lahat inihanda namin para sa iyo.
Salamat po, sir. Hi naman po kayo, ma'am. Pasensya na po kayo, ha? Kasi lalabas po kayo sa YouTube channel ko. Thank you po. Mga ano po kayo dito? Ayan, practice teacher. Baka gusto nyo magkape, ma'am. Tapos na kayo. Taga saan po kayo, ma'am? Taga rito rin? O medyo malapit-lapit? Ay, karamihan Orbis ano? Ganun dito sa school namin, sa Gulob. Karamihan mga Orbis, malapit-lapit ano? Say, ma'am. Taga saan po kayo, ma'am? Anong barangay? Dalang rin, malapit-lapit ano kayo, ma'am? Sa mismong bayan ano? Tapos si ma'am? Orbis din. Okay, ikaw, ma'am. San Carlos? Samay? Okay, ma'am. Good luck po. Malapit-lapit na po yung kwan ninyo, ha? Yung ano ba yun? Demo? Okay, good luck po sa inyo, ha? Kakayanin ba? Okay, sige. Thank you, ma'am. Huli kayo! Sir, good morning po, ma'am. Sir, good morning. Hi, Madam Monet, good morning.
And sa lahat po ng mga participants po natin, please visit na po tayo sa dito po sa gym.
Ma'am, hi naman po kayo dito po sa Kalabawan ES. Ayan, si Ma'am Maricel. Mga magagandang mga teacher po dito. Ayan, ma'am.
Almusal po tayo.
Sige po, ma'am.
Sopas.
Ang sarap ng sopas ninyo. Baka naman patikim naman po ng sopas, ma'am.
Ay, oo, sige po.
Sino pa nagluto?
Yung aming canteen manager.
Wow.
Ma'am Emily.
Okay.
And at the same time, our student.
Hello. Good morning po. Ay, sir. Good morning, girls.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this year's Mathematics Festival. Welcome po tayo. Showcase the brilliance of our young mathematicians. Ignite their passion. Okay. So let's start our program. May I request everyone to please rise for singing of the national anthem and to follow by a short prayer through an audio-visual presentation.
And we honor one another with keeping all the time. May we voice our truth and listen to the contributions and needs. Gratitude. Let's see into our roots that's outside this room.
Thank you very much, Sir Ryan. Palagpagan po natin si Sir Ryan, our very able MC. Esteemed educators, led by our beloved and motherly PSPS, Ma'am Priscilla S. Pinsorio. It is my great pleasure to welcome all of you to this exciting and engaging District Math Festival of Mathematics. Whether you are a learner or a teacher, each one of you plays a crucial role in making this event a special one. I want to extend a warm welcome to our talented learners who will showcase their creativity, problem solving, and teamwork throughout the day. I encourage you to embrace every challenge and view every problem as an opportunity to learn and grow. Remember, it is not just about finding the right answer, but also about enjoying the journey of discovery. Every step you take in solving a problem brings you closer discovering something new about the world of math. A big thank you to the teachers, especially the District 4A math coordinators, spearheaded by Sir Don, the admin in charge, Madam Jovelyn Palibatan, the District Math Coordinator, and my Kalubawan family, who have worked tirelessly to make this event possible. Your support and dedication are truly appreciated. As we move through the various activities and competitions today, let's keep in mind that math is not just about competition. It's about collaboration, learning, and having fun together. Let's all support each other and enjoy the experience. Let us make this day full of excitement and of course, math. Once again, welcome to Kalubawan Elementary School and welcome to the District Math Festival. God bless everyone.
Mr. Esmeralda Canila, our admin charge in mathematics. Bigyan na applause po.
Thank you, Sir Ryan. Pagpagyan po natin si Sir Ryan. Supposed to be our program was our SDS, so we'll be the inspirational physics that as a good soldier and as admin in charge of mathematics, I will do the honor. So, thank you so much, Kalubawan Elementary School, of course, through our very handsome and very smart Mr. Edgar Savera, who just delivered his valedictory address. Tatakot ako sa kanya kanina. Thank you so much, Kalubawan Elementary School, for accepting the challenge, for hosting this mathematics festival. Nagpaalmusal pa, may pagkape. Pagtakan mo natin sila. It is very inspiring to be in Kalubawan Elementary School. Hindi na ako magbibigay ng inspirational message, kundi mas lalong na-inspired tayo. Dahil natin ang Kalubawan Elementary School. Sa susunod, siguro sa ibang school na naman tayo para mas maganda. Hindi pa lagi natanong sa tanong, walang pagkating. Marami kami kalamansi doon. Pero, almusal, mga bata, ilang patawad mo lang kayo. At tunay ngang magagaling ang mga estudyante natin sa mathematics. Pero, hindi tayo maaaring magaling kung hindi tayo busog. Ngayon, na busog tayo sa Kalubawan, siyempre, magandang resulta. So, thank you so much also to our fellow administrators who are here with their full support. Palagpagan po natin ang ating mga administrators who were already announced earlier at kilala po natin sila. Sa mga mathematics coordinators, palagpagan po natin sila. Mga coaches, and of course, the district coordinator, Madam Jubilin Panibatan. Palagpagan po natin ang sumisisi na Madam Jubilin. Of course, we have our invited guests, our wife of the Board of Judges, the pride of San Carlos City, the president of the Mathematics Teachers Club Association of San Carlos City, Mr. Alvin Pitaka, our former student in Supo, now in St. Colman, and now the president of the Mathematics Teachers Club. Welcome, Sir Alvin, my former co-teacher in St. Colman. Sino pang hindi ko nabanggit, ang lahat ng mga contestant, of course, are the most important resource in this morning activity. Kaya binabat ko kayo lahat at sana gawin natin lahat para mas pangat ang level ng ating District 4A sa division level. Ano? Ang ating BSDS ay may kasing halaga na kagampanan doon sa division, kaya wala po sila. Pero pinaparating po nila na ang kanilang full support sa atin ay nandito. With or without her presence, of course, tayo ng mga District 4A ay hindi mahuhuli dahil ang District 4A ay palaging matatag, palaging lumalaban at hindi subusuko. No? So, again, thank you so much, and I hope that every one of us is inspired through the hospitality and of Kalubawan Elementary School. Basta yan, palapagan po natin ang Kalubawan. Nagkabuhay ang District 4A Mathematics Festival 2025.
To the school heads of District 4, to our invited guests and Judge Jabakwaro, one and only judge, to the brilliant participants of District 4A with pride. Pinakamalakas na sigaw, panalo! Pinakamalakas na sigaw ng Abanon Central School! Bilangan kanila. Central School! Wagi ang CPG! Mamasilo! Central School! Kasi nyo, tawa na kayo po. Kaginsing ang gawin piling. Tabag Elementary School. Go, silo na gulaw. Maxim. What about Kalubawan Elementary School? Ay, sorry, wala yung Kalubawan man, wala man ay Supo Elementary School. Gana lang pag manayon. Hindi kasilyo, ah. Anto ko, no? So, making it the best. Magmaksil kasi ka ito kung ano yun. May halaga rin tayo. Kalubawan Elementary School! Kalubawan, we are one!
Aldrin M. Butaka.
Okay, thank you po, Sir Ryan. Okay, so good morning everyone. To the school heads of District 4A, it is my pleasure and honor accepting the challenge. Being the judge, sabi ni Ma'am ano kanina, Ma'am Jovelyn, the lone judge, so biglang na pressure kasi sabi ko baka tuyugin ako mamaya. And Sir Milo also, he used to be my teacher. And one of the, so syempre, nandito po yung, the principal of Supo Elementary School. I used to call her Mommy because naging teacher ko po sila sa Supo. And I can remember na she's one of the reasons why I can see siguro na medyo nag-excel ako sa math because of her support during my elementary years. Opo, I can remember kasi na sila yung isa sa mga nagre-review sa akin because I used to be a contestant like you ngayon, yung mga bata na nandito. Okay? Naaalala ko, kaya lang nung grade 6 ako, nag-second lang ako sa division. Kasi, syempre noon, parang yung teacher ko, nire-review niya ako a day before the contest. Pero ngayon, alam ko, nag-level up na lahat ng school, nag-ready, nag-prepare para manalo yung mga bata. So, which is a very good thing kasi ako talaga, sabi ko, gusto kong manalo. Pero ang naaalala ko lagi, I cannot distinguish between how to solve the perimeter and the area of a figure. Memorize mo lahat ng formula kasi sabi ng teacher ko, i-memorize mo yan. Pero pagdating sa application ng problem solving, hindi ko alam kung kailan ko gagamitin yung perimeter and area. So that's why every time na nire-review yung mga learners ko sa Central 1, kahit pangit ang drawing ko, nag-drawing ako, pinapakita ko sa kanila yung difference between perimeter and area. Okay, so again yung mga bata po, sana magsilbi ako ng inspirasyon sa inyo. Again, isa po ako sa mga contestants natin na lumalaban. Noon wala pang District 4A, 4B. Pero ang lagi kong nakakalaban, ang lagi nananalo is either Central 1 or Abanon. So ito yung mga schools na pero alam ko lahat ng school ngayon nag-prepare and ready. So again, good luck to everyone. Okay, I wait lang po. Sino mga contestants?
Kuya na.
Yes, sir.
Kayo po nagluto nito? Sige, tikman natin yung luto ni ate. Magsupas muna tayo dito sa school ng Kalubawan.
Kawayan Kiling Elementary School, Yumi Francis Esquivel, and Coach, Ma'am Marilyn Inaga. And of course, ang kanilang school head, Ma'am Marilyn Fermoeno. May call in the principal of CPG Elementary School, the coach, and of course, Clyde Angel Bautista. Congratulations! Third place from Kalubawan Elementary School. So name is Tyler Clean V. Lawrence. With her coach, Ma'am Dandanica Jodel. Congratulations po. School. Ethan James C. Desolo. With her coach, Ma'am Lailani Vergara. And of course, si kagwago lang principal, Sir Dong. S. Bulang. With her coach, Ma'am Maricar Sapangan. And this fully head, yours truly.
Hello, good morning to everyone. So here are the top 3 awards for grade 3. Third place goes to Tubag Elementary School. Yours truly. Cristobal, Coach Ma'am Marisa Ferrer, Principal Sir Edgar Zamera.
Okay, here are the winners in the District Mathematics Festival 2025 Grade 4. Third place goes to Kawayan Kiling Elementary School with their coach and school head, Dr. Marilyn Fermoen. Second place goes to John Ezequiel B. Fernandez of Supo Elementary School. Coach Mr. Kitaka and with their principal, Ma'am Rachel Sinalo P. De Guzman. And first place goes to Abanon Central School. Janela K. A. Samera with their coach, Dr. Jovelyn Panibatan, and their principal 3, Dr. Esmeraldo C. Canina. Congratulations.
Our third place is from Tubag Elementary School, Julius F. Macaraeg. Coach, Ma'am Marilu Manson, and the principal, Sir Jerry Coco Martin Cabuaga. from Goodell Integrated School, San Daniel de Vera, Coach Sir Avelino de la Cruz, and the Principal, Sir Samuel Rosario. And the first place, Kalubawan Elementary School, Mark Geoffrey Conde. Coach, our school math coordinator, Ma'am Daisy Misuelio. Principal, General Cruz.
Hello, good morning to everyone. The result for the Whiskey Grade 6.
Yan ang niya sa YouTube, sir. Hindi ka nakikita.
Jan Matthew Abraham from Kalubawan CS Coach, Ma'am Daisy Risuelio, School Head Sir Edgar Samela. Second place from CBD Elementary School, Derek Paquinto. Coach, Sir Ryan Ramos, and School Head Sir Milo Mercado. And the champion from Avalon Central School, Coach Sir Delvin De Vera, School Head Sir Dingdong Dante, Esmeraldo Canilang, and the winner is Jan Grace Badington. Congratulations.
Coaches, pwede nyo kunin yung mga
Ma'am, thank you ha. Okay. One of the best school po, ang Kalubawan. Thank you po ma'am. Sa muli.